Chainlink is a distributed program built on top of Ethereum, displaying all high-quality data for smart contracts. Smart contracts are programs programmed into a blockchain that automatically perform the functions assigned to them, eliminating them from third parties and other cumbersome trust processes. It is also impossible to manipulate or change smart contracts afterwards. Nevertheless, smart contracts also have their limitations. The great weakness of smart contracts is that they cannot independently access the data outside of the blockchain. If a smart contract wants to access data outside of the blockchain, it needs to be connected to an oracle, the information source. If a smart contract utilizes only one centralized oracle's information, it is directly reflected in the data's reliability. A smart contract's reliability is significantly compromised if the smart contract uses only one centralized oracle as a source of information. Chainlink is a project that aims to address the challenges posed by the centralized oracles used by smart contracts. It has solved the oracle problem of smart contracts by creating a distributed pool of oracles, in each of which the oracles all strive to produce high-quality information. Smart contracts that take advantage of a decentralized pool of oracles improve their reliability. Chainlink has also developed a system whose algorithm ranks oracles according to the reliability of the oracle's data. In a system developed by Chainlink, oracles are rewarded with Chainlink's link tokens. Oracles that produce high-quality information earn link tokens for themselves, while oracles that produce low-quality information lose their tokens. The system developed by Chainlink encourages oracles to produce high-quality information for smart contracts. The history of Chainlink dates back to 2014, when the nonprofit organization called Smart Contract Limited was founded. Smart Contract Limited is the organization behind the Chainlink, and the CEO of Smart Contract Limited is Sergey Nazarov, one of the best-known people in the cryptocurrency world. The Chainlink project was quietly developed for several years until in 2017 it organized crowdfunding, in other words, the ICO, thereby raising $32 million in funding for the project. Chainlink began operations on the Ethereum blockchain in 2019, which was a solid year for Chainlink. That year, Chainlink got many significant partnerships with Google, Oracle, and Microsoft, and it was also listed in the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. The years 2020 and 2021 were also great for Chainlink, establishing itself as the world's leading Oracle solution and one of the world's largest cryptocurrencies in terms of market value. Chainlink is an Oracle network built on top of Ethereum. Chainlink has its own token called Link. The Link token is the cornerstone of the entire Chainlink ecosystem and plays a crucial role in the operation of Chainlink. The maximum number of link tokens is predetermined. In practice, Chainlink acts as a link between the smart contracts and the off-chain data they need. Chainlink provides a fully decentralized platform for oracles that play a significant role in smart contracts' reliability. In the system developed by Chainlink, oracles should provide the highest quality information possible for smart contracts, as well-performing oracles can earn link tokens for their performance, while poorly performing oracles will lose their tokens. Link is the currency built into the Chainlink network, and it is also the only currency used by Chainlink Network's essential functions. Technically, the Chainlink Oracle consists of two different parts, one located inside the blockchain and the other outside the blockchain. The part inside the blockchain can be considered a contract for the data transfer between the Oracle and the smart contract. The outer part of the blockchain is called a node, in other words, an operator. Nodes receive a reward for their work as link tokens. The Chainlink network includes numerous nodes that supply off-chain data to smart contracts via oracles. The process is completely decentralized and eliminating security issues that might occur when using a single centralized oracle. Also, Chainlink software checks the quality of data previously produced by the oracle and discards nodes that produce unreliable and low-quality data. Although Chainlink operates on the blockchain of Ethereum, its operation is not limited to Ethereum alone. In practice, Chainlink is a distributed program whose service can be deployed in any blockchain. Since 2019, up until now, more and more blockchain projects have integrated Chainlink's oracles into their network. Today, Chainlink technology serves as a cornerstone in numerous different cryptocurrency projects, and for example, almost all of the most significant decentralized finance applications utilize Chainlink's oracles. Over the years, Chainlink has gained massive popularity among cryptocurrency investors, and Chainlink's growing popularity is due to several different factors, such as Chainlink's unique technology and many well-known cooperation agreements. Chainlink also enables the reliability of smart contracts by fixing the oracle problem of smart contracts. The oracle problem means that before Chainlink, the information produced by the oracles could often be inaccurate. The solution offered by Chainlink is used in almost every cryptocurrency project that requires the information produced by oracles. It can be said that without Chainlink's Oracle solution, the development of the cryptocurrency market would have been slower, and most of the significant innovations in the market would not have been technically possible. Currently, Chainlink's position in the cryptocurrency market is solid. In the future, the success of the Chainlink will depend on the development of the project and the growing popularity of smart contracts. In theory, in the future, smart contracts can replace every contract made in digital form. The potential of smart contracts is tremendous, and smart contracts can permanently change the way people make contracts. Unlocking the full potential of smart contracts would be very challenging without Chainlink's Oracle solution. The Chainlink's Link token's success is directly comparable to whether Chainlink's solution has any use. If the demand for smart contracts increases in the future, the Link token uses are also growing. An increase in Chainlink usage naturally also affects the price development of the Link. Chainlink offers a workable solution to smart contracts' Oracle problem, and also has no significant competitors at the moment. So it's no wonder that Chainlink has become one of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the market. Chainlink is both a cryptocurrency and technology platform that enables non-blockchain enterprises to securely connect with blockchain platforms. Chainlink is middleware that connects blockchain-based smart contracts with external data, such as baseball scores or stock prices. Chainlink's Link currency is used to pay Chainlink network operators and collateralize the network's smart contract agreements. Chainlink is also known as a decentralized Oracle network or blockchain abstraction layer. Chainlink uses blockchain technology to securely enable computations on and off the blockchain, supporting what it calls hybrid smart contracts. Enterprises that use Chainlink can access any of the major blockchain networks, including Ethereum, Solana, and Terra. The Chainlink blockchain is hosted on the Ethereum platform, which uses the proof-of-work operating protocol. Chainlink is an open-source blockchain project, meaning that anyone can view the project's code and contribute. The Chainlink blockchain can support the secure sharing of inputs, outputs, and computations. Some features of Chainlink include: it supports decentralized data feeds. Data from many sources can be securely collected and used for hybrid smart contracts. Provides verifiable sources of randomness. Applications such as games that require cryptographically secure randomness can use Chainlink. It enables automation. Chainlink smart contracts can automate key functions and event-driven tasks for enterprises. It supports cross-blockchain interoperability. Chainlink can connect blockchain platforms to support the exchange of messages, tokens, and specific actions. As mentioned before, Chainlink is a blockchain-based decentralized Oracle network that was launched in 2017. Oracles are entities that connect blockchains to external systems, thereby allowing smart contracts to execute based on inputs and outputs originating off the blockchain. While traditional oracles are centralized, Chainlink decentralizes the process of moving data on and off blockchains through the use of hybrid smart contracts. Link tokens are used to reward Chainlink network operators for retrieving data from off-chain feeds, formatting data into accessible formats, and performing off-chain computations. The Chainlink decentralized Oracle network is a system of nodes that adhere to set protocols. Node operators are required to stake, agree to not trade or sell their Link tokens. Node operators set their own fees based on the demand for the off-chain resource that they provide. Because Chainlink allows blockchains to exchange data with their off-chain systems in a way that is decentralized and tamper-resistant, the Chainlink Oracle network has many use cases. Chainlink has been used to fairly distribute NFTs, gamify personal savings, and facilitate recalibrations of cryptocurrency token supplies, among other applications. How does Chainlink differ from Ethereum? The Chainlink network in some ways is a complement to the Ethereum network and other blockchains. Chainlink can facilitate secure communications between Ethereum projects and a variety of off-chain data. Since Chainlink's Link token is built on the Ethereum platform, Link is compliant with the Ethereum platform's protocols. Ethereum tokens can be used for purchases, to facilitate smart contracts, and to pay miners for operating the Ethereum network. Chainlink tokens have only a single use case, which is to pay node operators in the Chainlink network. Chainlink's staking requirement is similar to the proof-of-stake operating protocol. Ethereum currently uses the proof-of-work method, but is gradually transitioning to proof-of-stake. Chainlink aims to continue to grow by expanding its support for blockchain environments and facilitating new use cases for hybrid smart contracts. Because significant stores of data and records are not yet maintained within blockchains, Chainlink may have countless opportunities to connect blockchain networks with off-chain information. In 2021, the Chainlink network secured more than $75 billion of value as it grew to include over 1,000 projects. Chainlink has a maximum supply of 1 billion tokens, of which about 467 million have been issued as of February 2022. Chainlink is currently an Ethereum ERC20 token, so just like any other ERC20 token, you can store your Chainlink on reputable Ethereum wallets like MyEtherWallet and MyCrypto, or preferably through a reputable hardware wallet like a Ledger Nano SX if you're holding a significant amount.